Hello students, today we will do question number 3 and 6 of exercise number 3.1. So in question number 3, they have asked solve by trial method. Now in trial method what you have to do is that every time you have to take a new value of a variable which will be in the equation until and unless you are not getting the a solution that will satisfy the equation. So what I'm trying to say is that suppose this is the equation given 5p plus 2 equals to 17. So what is the variable used? P. P is the variable. Now we have to find out that value of P which satisfies this solution. That is, when we'll put some value in place of P and when we solve this LHS part, we should get 17. So which value of P will bring 17? Okay, so this is how we have to check. Now the first thing that you have to take is that the P value should be 1. You will always start with 1. Whatever the variable is. If there is x, then you will write x equals to 1. If there is y, then you will write y equals to 1 and you will check whether you are getting 17 or not. So putting P equals to 1 in LHS. See, this is LHS, this whole part is LHS and RHS is what? 17. So that we have to always solve the LHS. Now we have taken P equals to 1. So we will write whatever there is in the LHS. What is there in LHS? 5P plus 2. So we will write 5P plus 2. Okay. Now what is the value of P? We have taken 1. So in place of P we will take 1. That is 5 into 1 plus 2. So we know that according to the Bodmer's rule, we'll first do multiplication. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2, that is 7. So 7 is not equals to 17. So the value of P equals to 1 is not satisfying the equation. Now let's go for the another value of P. That is, the next value would be 2. So putting P equals to 2 in LHS. So again we'll write the LHS form, that is 5P plus 2. So in place of P we'll put 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Again it is not matching. So 12 is not equal to 17. So in this way you will continue the process until and unless you don't see that you are not getting the right answer. That is a satisfactory answer. The satisfactory answer for this particular equation is 17. Now let's move on to the next value, that is P equals to 3 in LHS. Again we'll write the expression of the LHS, that is 5P plus 2. In place of P we'll write 3. So 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Now you will see you are getting 17. 17 is equals to 17. So at last how to write? P is equals to 3 is a solution. So P, the value of P is a solution of the given equation. Because why we are saying this is a solution? Because when we are putting the value of P as 3, we are getting 17. So this value of P is called a solution. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now let's move on to question number 6. Now question number 6, we have altogether 4 questions. So in every question you have to again form the equation. Some problems is given and statement problems. See, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Okay, this is a statement given. Now Irfan has 37 marbles. Now what we have to find out? We have to frame an equation. Take M to be number of Parmit's marble. Okay, suppose they have already said in the question that let number of marbles Parmit is having, take it as M. Now according to the question it is written that 5 times means 5 into, okay, number of marbles Parmit has plus 7 would be equals to number of marbles Irfan has. That is, number of marbles that Irfan is having is 7 more than, see it is written 7 marbles more than. So 7 marbles more than means what? 7 marbles more than whom? 5 times the marbles Parmit have. So 5 times the number of marbles Parmit has plus 7 would be equals to number of marble Irfan has. So now according to the question, what is the number of marbles Parmit is carrying? That is M. So in place of this we'll put M. So 5 into M plus 7 is equals to 37. 5 into M is what? 5M plus 7 equals to 37. So this is the required equation, students. Let's move on to the second one. Lakshmi's father, there's 2 characters, Lakshmi and her father. So Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Okay, so we know the father's age. Now he means Lakshmi's father is 4 years older then 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, so again we have to frame it in the equation. Now in the question again they have asked to let Lakshmi's age as y. Now we'll write the equation. It is written as 3 times, that is Lakshmi's father is 3 times Lakshmi's age plus 4. That is, see, he is 4 years older. 4 years older, then again then written. So that is the reason I am adding 4 to what? Lakshmi's 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, I am adding 4 with 3 times Lakshmi's age. And this is what the age of Lakshmi's father. So what is the Lakshmi's age? Y. So in place of Lakshmi's age we will write y. So 3y plus 4 is equals to 49. So this is the required equation. Okay. Now the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks. Twice the lowest marks plus 7. Twice the lowest marks means 2 into lowest marks plus 7. Now what is the highest score given? 87. And they have asked, in the question they have asked to let the lowest score to be L. Okay. Now highest marks will be what? 2, where it is written twice the lowest marks. See, twice the lowest marks plus 7. So this is the highest mark. So highest marks is equals to twice the lowest marks plus 7. So what is the lowest mark according to the question? L. So 2 into L plus 7. 2 into L means what? 2L. So 2L plus 7 equals to 87. You can write this equation in this form also. 2L plus 7 equals to 87. So this is your required equation. Okay. This could be written in this format also. Now, the last question of today is, in an isosceles triangle. Now, what is an isosceles triangle? First, try to understand this. So, this is an isosceles triangle where the two arms are equal. Fine. In isosceles triangle, always the two arms are equal. Arms are equal. When these two arms are equal, these two angles will be also equal. Okay. So, these two angles are called base angles. Okay. If this is B, then this will be also B. Okay, and this particular angle is called vertex angle. Okay, this is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle the two arms are equal. Okay, and similarly if the two arms are equal then the base angles are also equal. This is a vertex angle. Okay, now let's try to understand this. In an isosceles triangle the vertex angle is twice the either base angle. That is, this angle is twice the base angle. Okay. Now let the base angle be B. So see, I have already written B. So vertex angle is equals to 2 into base angle according to the question. That is, vertex angle would be 2 into either of the base angle. Either of the base angle means because the base angles are equal. So if this angle is twice this angle, so this angle will be also twice of this angle also. Okay. So vertex angle is 2 into base angle. So base angle what we have to let as B. So 2 into B. So vertex angle is 2B. Okay. So base angles are BB and this is 2B. Now as we know that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree, isn't it? So this is what I have written, B plus 2B is equals to 180 degree. See what reason I have given? Angle sum property of a triangle. Or you can write that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This also you can write. Now add up all this thing. B plus 2B is what? 4B. 4B equals to 180 degree. So this is your required equation. Okay students. So complete your assignment today. That is question number 3 all and 6 all. Okay. Thank you and take care.